मेरा फैशन हॉल हो रहा है, ज्वेलरी हॉल हो रहा है, फूड हॉल हो गया है, निबल्स हॉल हो गया है, जेरी हॉल हो गया है, सेल्फ केयर कैटेगरी. Oh my god, so cute. This is a handmade gift for nibbles. Oh my god. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is extra special because as we are uploading this video, it is my birthday. I turned 33 on the 17th of June and I couldn't think of a better day to post the mystery box birthday edition. Obviously, it should go up on my birthday. Now, I'm about to insert a clip of me actually holding up this. That's nibbles. Just second we say unbox, PR, mystery box. Her radar, her antenna goes up and she starts playing with things or she starts making noise. One sec. BRB. Yeah, ab main kya karu? Okay, I've also readjusted the light with handling nibbles, but handling nibbles is temporary. She has the zoomies and there's nothing I can do about it. This is the reality of being a pet parent. What do we have going on over here? I have a ginormous carton here. I'm about to insert a little clip of me trying to hold it up to get the thumbnail. I cannot practically pick it up anymore because it is that heavy. How heavy is it? Leave. Tanvi has sent this over to me and I'm so excited to go ahead and really just dive into this.
Hi Aanam, happy birthday to you. May God bless you with all the happiness and love in this world. Belated happy birthday to Mr. Gerard. May God bless him with all the happiness and love in this world. I'm so grateful that you have given me this opportunity to create a mystery box for you on this special occasion. So talking about the mystery box, I have created it with lots of love and 50% of the mystery box is handmade because I believe handmade gifts bring warmth and love with them. So I hope you like it and enjoy opening each and every parcel that I have given to you.
It's really big, so I'm going to open things up on this side, but I'm very excited for this. I have to say that the first thing on the mystery box is really worth, I can't lift it, it's damn heavy. It says Aanam's mystery box, happy birthday, open with a big smile. I assure you Tanvi, I will be opening this with a big smile irrespective, but this has made my smile even bigger. I just want to kick off this video with saying thank you to each and every one of you. I think that whether it's birthday, anniversary, all of the special moments aside, your comments make every single day special to me, and there will never be, I can promise you, never be a day in my life where I take for granted you guys, Wear Fam, my internet family. I appreciate you, I love you, and don't forget to participate in the giveaway in this video. This giveaway is in every single long video through June because I want to do return presents like we used to get in school. You know, bachpan mein when we used to go to somebody's birthday, coming back home meant getting a return present. I want this entire month to basically be that. Okay, now chatty Aanam is about to really get into the box. I'm really excited. ये कहाँ से खोलूँ? है मुझे ये ऊपर से खोलना पड़ेगा, उनका मैसेज कट हो जाएगा फिर. Is there any other way to open it? I'm checking. Okay, I'm gonna open this box upside down, but then whatever she's put inside is gonna get put upside down. No, I'm gonna have to cut through her message. Even though this orange message has been cut in half, ये दो टुकड़ों में मेरे डब्बे में जाएगा. If you know, you know. Okay, if you don't know, I have a box full of like sweet notes and things from subscribers from over the years. So yeah, she did a bang up job of packing, I have to say. How cute! The first thing that my eyes go to when I open this box is this knitted up rose. So cute. Okay, I have no idea what order to go in unless it's written. So hum random order mein jayenge. This says self-care category. Alright. I love how we're kicking it off with the self-care category. She has wrapped every item on the inside. Take some time for yourself. Tanvi, did you sketch this yourself? Look at this. Okay, if she did or whoever did on her behalf is like very, very, very talented. It says how to use your fresh hair Nutrimask. Okay, so that's basically what it is. Every single item has been like wrapped. That is so cute. Okay, what we've got inside is a set of fresh hair Nutrimask. We've got the 5 oil hibiscus fuse. Okay, we've got 2 of them essentially, and she's also been thoughtful enough to make sure she doesn't leave out the how to use. So that's a really nice touch. I love hair masks. This is such a great start. Actually, this was such a great start. Okay, next we've got let's groom your favorite man. Okay, so there's something for Jerry. Look at the sketches too. Oh my god, so cute. Hey Jerry, let's get you groomed because to be at your best, you need to look your best. Happy grooming. I'm gonna save these notes like I always do. And Jerry should be home actually any minute from work. So let's see if we can get his reaction. We have for Jerry a Park Avenue luxury grooming collection, an 8-in-1 combo. How sweet! You thought of Jerry. I'm gonna try and catch his reaction. He's gonna be home any minute now from work, so I definitely want to see what he says. Next we have ये थोड़ा सा fold हो गया है. Something hot and delicious. Listen, these sketches are too cute. Too cute. And the note says, I got all your house parties and maybe your effetries covered. I don't know what effetries means. I'm gonna have to Google that. This is a fondue set. You can add cheese, maybe your favorite Nutella, and enjoy the tempting hot fondue. Stop it. I'm salivating. I love fondue. And I salivate. And then on this side too, we've got some very cute sketches going on. And there's another note. Wait, I think the fondue thing then has come off from the other thing. Just one more chapter. Look at this sketch. We've got a note that says, because I believe books make a great gift. A business book for my business-minded girl, wishing you achievements that soar higher than your aspirations. That is so sweet. Okay, so I think this is the book, and वो fondue वाला अगले वाले package में से उसके ऊपर चिपक गया होगा. We have the unique Indian market. Thank you. I love books. I love books, and business books and self-help books are like my jam. So this is right up my alley. Thank you. So thoughtful. And I'm guessing ये जो last वाला है ये वो fondue वाला है, क्योंकि इसके ऊपर हाँ इसके ऊपर note नहीं है. So I think वो बस थोड़ा सा उल्टा पुल्टा हो गया. So this is that fondue का base का thing. I almost don't want to open it right now because like I'm worried I'll break it and nibbles is still around. But this is what we have, and the ऊपर का part should be this then. This is that ऊपर का part. I literally am just not opening it because it is glass or ceramic rather, and Miss Zoomies is over here. So I will open this at another time. And I think my girlfriends are coming over in like 2 days for lunch. So I have a feeling it's gonna get its udghatan also very, very soon. Okay, let's go into like so much came out of this one part only. We still have 2-3 more to go. Handmade category is what this package says. I'm removing everything साथ में so that वो आवाज ना आए बीच में. Let's start out with the सबसे छोटू वाला. This is a handmade gift for Nibbles. I hope she likes it. How sweet, Miss Nibbles. She's a brat, especially during these videos. She doesn't, I want to say she doesn't deserve gifts, but she does. She's a cutie. Now जाके थोड़ी सी शांत हुई है, ये साइड पे बैठी है. अगर जाके मैं उसको लाई या ऐसे कुछ करी, interact करी, तो उसकी zoomies फिर से शुरू हो जाएंगी. What do we have over here? I don't know what this is. What's this? Do you know what this is? It's for Nibbles.
Need to open now.
सिला हुआ है. Should I open it? I haven't figured this out. I'm confused.
वो गिरती है ना.
Catnip. It's catnip.
नहीं, वो अपना गिफ्ट रैप से निकलता है ना, जिससे वो खिलती है, खा लेती है.
Confetti.
हाँ.
नहीं confetti नहीं है. ये सिला हुआ है. इसको खोलना है. मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज हूँ. खोल लेते हैं कुछ. ये तो क्या है? Like मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. I'm feeling very dumb.
Like a gift kind of a thing, like
So I have to open it now?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, you mean it's just the throw?
Throw, yeah.
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, उसके अंदर वो है.
Oh, like padding.
See now,
Oh, that does make sense. She does like things like that.
They like such noises, na? Like,
Okay, I'm gonna try and play
See,
with her in
she's-
this a little bit later. अभी अगर किया ना तो बाकी का वीडियो unbox होगा ही नहीं. But let's
So
see
there.
how she reacts to this. Thank you. So sweet that she thought of like nibbles also. Okay, let's move on to this. We've got घर की रौनक बढ़ा दे. Okay, that sounds like that narrow la, narrow जब घर की रौनक बढ़ानी हो, दीवारों को हद सजाना हो. Narrow la, narrow. What is really narrow la? मतलब ये ना किसी बात नहीं right. इसने बचपन की ad की जो दिमाग में बैठ गया ना. I don't think I'll ever. Okay, I'm feeling very dumb that I'm not being able to open some of these items. Like I'm feeling slow. Like, okay, we got it. We got it. I was a little slow, but I got it. I'm confused. Oh my god! She hand painted this! Oh my goodness. Oh god, she's an artist. Listen, this is next level personalization. You are not gonna believe what Tanvi did. I can't even. This is beautiful.
oh wow.
She's handmade this. It says Aanam, Gerard and Nibbles. I love how she didn't forget Nibbles anywhere, huh? Like, wow. Oh my god. Thank you. This is so sweet. Oh my god. Guys, you can't put a price on this kind of stuff. You know what I mean? Like, I can't even just say thank you and feel like it's enough. This is insane. You know, the fact that you guys know me or the details or that you wouldn't forget nibbles, like each and everything just means so much to me. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. I can't, like, I don't even know what to say. I'm like lost. How sweet! She sent something for the team as well. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. This would not have been possible without you. This small token of love for the team. How sweet! Listen, you should open this, or at least come on the video. I have Aishwarya here today next to me. Divyesh literally just went down. And like, this is just so sweet. This is adorable. This is absolutely adorable. She didn't forget nibbles. She didn't forget team. She's like, thank you for selecting me. Ash, you wanna come on screen? And can I also say, this is very Aishwarya aesthetic. She's very, you'll see what she's wearing. Even she's like very like nudes, basics, minimal, clean aesthetic girly. I wish like Cleantha was here.
Yeah.
Cleantha is not part of our team anymore, but still,
Thank you.
we should send this to her.
Actually, even I feel.
But yeah, it's very you also. Thank you so much just for thinking of my team, and like it's so
cute.
sweet. Just a thought. It's just so sweet.
It's actually nice.
Yeah, no, and the fact that she thought about the team even, and she's like, thank you for selecting me, because the team coordinates with everyone. So just by the way, in case you didn't know, I don't select the person who from like the list of people that fill the form. I will leave a form link for you down below if you want to be part of the next mystery box. Reason being, over there's also like, give us an idea of what kind of things you would put in the box and this and that, and I don't want to see it because I want it to be a surprise. So my team facilitates everything from start to end. And in case you're new to my channel or to mystery box or whatever, because like I understand it's very common, but I'm just putting it out there. I pay, like my company account pays for everything. I don't personally pay for everything, obviously, because then I'll know what the items are. So like in most cases, the person who we select, who the team selects, goes ahead and pays for everything, sends us bills, and they get reimbursed once the package arrives here. The reason we do that is just to kind of obviously close the loop nicely and all of that. But yeah, it's still so sweet that she thought of like sending something to the team. I really appreciate that. Oh god, it's the small stuff, you guys. This cute package contains, and then she's listed it down over here, a pair of coasters, a cute kitty pouch, a viral Pinteresty popcorn bag. I hope you like it. And this is from a brand called House of Gauri. She's also made note of that. I think that's some Jerry entering. Hi! I said just some time back that you were gonna walk in any moment. Can you quickly come here for a second? I know you must be tired from work, but I really want to show you something that a subscriber called Tanvi sent for you. Come here, come on camera. Okay, he doesn't want to be on camera. Then be loud so they can hear you. She sent you this. It's part of the mystery box that she sent over for my birthday.
Oh, super cool. Parker and your grooming collection. Thank you.
I've been telling him he needs to look after like his grooming and his beard and whatnot. So the timing of this is perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tanvi. This is a trinket. Wait, I was opening something else now. Second ago, wait till he came. I needed to open this one. I already read everything that was written on it. We've got, oh, a similar bag to what she sent for you, like for the team. We've got a very cute bag. Wait, there's something here I'm curious to see that caught my eye. She has also sent these very cute coasters. I mean, how adorable. They're little paws. They're so on brand for this house. Oh god. She has sent so many things for Nibbles, Jerry. I have to show you. And then she sent this very cool, it's called macrame, right? Like stuff like this, like little wall art. Very, very cute, very, very cool. But this is knitted. Macrame is a different material. My knowledge on this is a little bit low. Please tell me in the comments. And a very, very adorable kitty coin pouch. Listen, like, I love it. I love it. I love it. This is a trinket tray. Can be a great piece of decor or on your bedside table. Handmade with love. Also, this is from that same brand, House of Gauri, that she mentioned earlier. How lovely. And it's a heart. I have a special place for hearts in my heart. Because, you know, if you know, you know. But like, I love hearts. I love, love, love hearts. This is so cute. I actually don't think I'm going to use this for jewelry. I actually think I'm going to use this for things like keys and all that. Because that will sit very well on this. I love, 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 love. You've done such a thoughtful job, Tanvi. Like every detail. Okay, this bag says food category. Ah, I am getting a little hungry. What's in this? Everything here is pink by the looks of it. Let's open it out. See what it says. Oh my god, right up my alley. Okay, there's a note inside this. It says, "Ek garam chai ki pyali ho." From one chai lover to another chai lover. This special set of cutting chai glasses. These glasses are made of biodecomposite, made out of rice husks, coffee husks, and crop remains. I literally just got a set of cutting chai glasses to gift someone last week. If this is similar to that, my friend and I are going to twin in our respective houses. Oh my god, these are so cute. No, these are a little bit different from the ones I got. We're not going to twin, but these are even cuter than the ones I got her, I have to say. Oh my god. And like, they're like in all these different colors, like very muted pastels kind of vibe. And she said they are made of decomposite glass, which is really cool. They feel like very lightweight in plastic, which is a great thing, because then that also means question mark, if Nibbles drops them, knocks them out, will they break? I don't know. The next thing in here is a tiffin box, a literal tiffin box. It says the classic combo, chai and biscuit. Oh my goodness. Oh, and there's a note inside also. Kuch meetha ho jaye. I was gonna give cake, but I don't know whether it will remain fresh or bad. So I just baked you some naan khatai. You just casually bake me some naan khatais. For real, you bake naan khatais. I love naan khatais, just by the way. I hope you like it. Baked by me with love for you. Happy birthday! Listen, I mean, she has literally, like, I don't want to touch it because I've touched so many packages. Mere haathon pe dhool bhool hogi. Are your hands clean? Can you wash your hands and feed me a naan khatai? I don't want to touch it because like I'm sitting in the middle of a lot of kachra mess, the packaging, and of course all the things are here in front of me on the table. But मुझे चखना है अब चखना है. Jerry is here to feed me naan khatai. She baked this herself.
One more.
I'm gonna have naan khatai all over my lips for the rest of this video, but it'll be worth it. She baked this herself. Wow. Can you send me the recipe? Is that too much to ask someone? On that note, that very sweet note, let's move on to, there are so many pink packages inside this big one. Healthy snack, and there's literally an illustration, and then there's the note inside. It says, "Hey Aanam, this is a traditional snack of Malwanis. It is a local specialty which is usually available in our hometown. It is sweet in taste, made with besan, jaggery and ginger." I love ginger in anything, and I love jaggery in anything. I hope you like it. It is known as Malwani Khaj. She's written it in the Hindi script. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly because there is a Khaj ke upar nukta. So Khanj or Malwani Khaja. Oh, Khaja. Okay. I understand Khaja. Yeah. Naan khatai was yum, no? Miss Diet ate it. इसका टेस्ट टेस्ट मैं अब नहीं करूंगी, मैं बाद में करूंगी, किसी व्लॉग में करूंगी. But this is what we have over here. I have the naan khatai ka taste in my mouth. I don't want to change it. If you know, you know. If you are like me, you will get it. Okay, more illustrations. This girl is so talented. Like, not your regular masala. This is special Malwani masala. You can use it in both veg as well as non-veg delicacies. I would suggest try making Malwani chicken with this masala. You will love it. Alright, let's take the note out to the side. We've got the masala. I'm definitely going to try to cook this with, like she said, chicken. I could try and put it in veg food also. I'm going to try to put it in seafood also. You know, I'm a big seafoodie. Say hi to your new breakfast is what this illustration says. Note, this is as powder version of the atta. Originally, amboli is made by fermenting the rice of urad dal overnight. The instructions are on the pack. Okay, let's get your day started with Maharashtrian version of uttapam, that is amboli or amboli. She's written it in both scripts. It can be enjoyed with chutney, chicken curry or mutton curry. I cannot make and send you one, so got a flour of the same. How sweet. Listen, you really like, she's thought of like everything from cooking to snacking to healthy to baking and sending. Like कोई इसको छोड़ा नहीं है, कोई पैरामीटर को, कोई साइड को छोड़ा नहीं है. It's flour. इसको मैं क्या ही दिखाऊं, like in the sense कि visually it's the flour. I'm going to leave it in this only because गलती से मुझे फाड़ नहीं देना है. ये मैं किचन में रखूंगी. No way. Fry me in a lobster or fish. Illustrations are too good. Hey seafood lover. Hello from Ratnagiri. I know the love for seafood you have, so I had to include one special masala from our authentic Malwani cuisine. You can... I'm salivating. Amazing, Aanam. Amazing. You can upgrade your seafood eating experience with this masala. You can use it for fish fry and also make curries. Kego mag kad... Okay, wait. I have to ask Aishwarya what this means. Please help. Kego mag kadi etas masesh khark anchya ratnagrit. I mean, it's written in English script, so what am I saying wrong? I can read Marathi, understand Marathi. I'm not the best at like speaking it, but Ash is Maharashtrian and I'm guessing she will decode this to me.
So basically she's saying Kaigo mag kadhi yetes maase khaila amcha Ratnagiri. So basically she is asking when you are coming to Ratnagiri to eat seafood like fish.
How sweet. How sweet. Listen, she thought of everything.
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं छोड़ा है. कुछ नहीं. Like the way the breadth of this package is wide. And we've got a नहीं निकल रहा है ये. We've got the Khatu Masale Udyog Malwani fish masala. I ordered fish like from my machi wala just yesterday. I have fresh fish and prawns in my fridge, and I think I know what I'm having tonight. We've got a visual that says something and chips. Is it pineapple? It looks like a pineapple, I want to say. It's made with fruit which is hard and thorny from outside, fleshy and sweet from the inside. Can you guess? Pineapple or jackfruit? No, I don't know if jackfruit is.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit?
Because there's this famous chips that we get in Ratnagiri, like Fansachi Kappa type kind of a thing. Like chips.
चाय के
They're
साथ
very yummy.
it says चाय के साथ कुछ नमकीन हो जाए. These are not your regular chips. This is a speciality of the Konkan.
Yeah.
I hope you will enjoy it. This package is making me very hungry. और कुछ मेरे को अब सूझ ही नहीं रहा है, सिर्फ खाना खाने ही सूझ रहा है मेरे दिमाग में. Is this the chips you're talking about, Aishwarya?
Yes. Those are very yummy.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh my god. I'm like in food heaven. I'm in absolute food heaven. Konkan stuff, Malmani stuff, very, very Maharashtrian stuff. I'm living for it. We are about to move on to the next. Imagine all of this was in one package, all the food stuff. This package says travel category. Okay, I'm curious. We have Gore Gore Mukhde Pe Kala Kala Chashma. That's literally what she has written over here with the illustrations. The illustrations are killing me. Like, they're next level with these notes. Something to keep your eyewear safe while traveling. It is customized with your name by me. I hope you like it. I think I know what it is because she's saying to keep the eyewear safe, and I think I've seen like storage stuff like this, but I'm just guessing. But she said it's customized, which makes it special. Yeah, I was right. My guess was right. पता है बचपन में हम birthday gift मिलता था तो वैसे हिला हिला के हम उसको guess करते थे कि क्या होगा अंदर. This is that wala feeling. And she customized it with my name on it. And do you know that I was watching, whose vlog was I watching just last week, maybe the week before last, and I was thinking I should get one of these. This is amazing. Forget the fact that this is amazing. This angle is amazing. This has some cutlery on it in an illustration, and the note says, this set of portable and emergency cutlery can be used while traveling. I purposely took the one with chopsticks. Why wait for cutlery when you can carry your own? Adorable, 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 adorable. There's a pouch, and inside the pouch you've got all of the steel cutlery. I appreciate this so much. Okay, next up there is something that says, I need to read it. I'm showing it to you first. Happy birthday, Aanam. I love you to the moon and back. I love you to the moon and back. Each and every one of you. I hope I've did justice to the budget and the mystery box. You have done beyond justice. Like, I feel like, forget the budget, just the time and effort that goes into this. Hats off, honestly. Please open this package last. Okay, fine. I can't open this now. I need to come back to this at the end. We have a fashion category. There's also a note over here that had fallen off from this. Let's quickly check what it says. A beautiful flower for a beautiful lady. Happiest birthday, Aanam. I love you to the moon and back. I hope I've made the mystery box well. God bless you. I think this was supposed to be with this flower at the beginning. Thank you. My God, have you done it well? I need a superlative adjective to describe how you have truly done this box. Like, my mind is just very, 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 very just blown. Okay, there's 2-3 things coming out of here. I'm just making sure I haven't missed anything because I wouldn't want to do that. We have something over here that says, there's a cute clip bow that has popped out, first things first. Then we have this very cute, it literally says happy birthday Aanam. Oh my God. And it's like a little dabba knit kiya hua cover ke saath and all of that. And then we have some scrunchies on the inside. So cute. She's like filled everything up and thought about everything so much. We have this jewelry illustration over here. Something to go with your traditional looks. This is actually a traditional Maharashtrian jewelry. A pearl choker, also called tanmari. Earrings, also as kanatle. Am I butchering these pronunciations?
Kanatli.
Kanatle? I said it?
Yeah.
Okay, and ear cuffs. A bugadi.
Not Bugatti.
Bugadi.
Fugadi.
Bugadi. Bugadi. It is worn on top of the earlobe, and a nose pin nut. How sweet. I love how she wrote everything in like English as well as with the translations, the local translations. That's just next level. मेरा fashion haul हो रहा है, jewelry haul हो रहा है, food haul हो गया है, nibbles haul हो गया है, jerry haul हो गया है. इस mystery box में सब कुछ हो गया है. Oh, it's like one full set that you've sent. Got it. Literally everything is in here. There's so many things placed on this table कि अगर मैं इसको खोलूँगी ना तो ये इधर उधर हो जाएगा, सब सामान यहाँ पे मिक्स हो जाएगा. But I want to see it also. Okay, so we've got the earrings over here. Is the camera focusing? Yeah. We've got the choker over here, and we've got more earrings and another nut. How absolutely cute. Thank you. I'm gonna keep saying thank you like 100 times because this whole box, this entire mystery box, I think has been like wow. I think we're down to the last item. I really hope I haven't missed anything because that will make me feel terrible about her efforts. This illustration, what is this talent? My god. And it says साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे. She's got like songs on everything. I love it. Totally my Bollywood vibe. This is a Paithani sari which is traditionally worn by a Maharashtrian woman. This sari was named after Paithan town in Aurangabad district. It is famous for peacock design on its padar or the pallu. You can find the best Paithanis in Yeola. I have gifted you a green Paithani because in our culture green is the color of Saubhagya. And also it looks good on you. I can't wait to see you flaunt it. How sweet! I have a new sari. I love it. I love how I'm basically collecting clothes from different parts of the country because even in my last mystery box with my subscriber from Amritsar, I had a beautiful suit. उसको अब तक मैंने stitch नहीं करवाया है. शायद इन चीज़ों को मैं साथ में सिलवा दूँगी. इसका ब्लाउज, उसका जो कपड़ा था, everything. And this is the sari. How absolutely lovely. अब नहीं खोल रही हूँ मैं ये मैं properly बाद में खोलूँगी because एक तो यहाँ पे बिल्कुल इन्होंने like there's so many things over here that बिल्कुल जगह नहीं बची मेरे आजू बाजू. But every single item that has come out of this mystery box has been an 11 on 10. Oh wait, we have. I was just talking about how every single item in this package has been an 11 out of 10 when my battery died. The timing sucked, but that's okay. Let's go into this very last item we have over here from Tanvi. I already read what it said earlier because I'm supposed to be opening this last. मुझे अंदर का कुछ नहीं फाड़ना है by mistake, so I'm just trying to be careful of that. It smells of Fevicol and I love it. Does that make me sound like an absolute weirdo? I was an arts and crafts girly in school, as you can tell. Happy birthday, wishing you tons of fun. This girl is just mad talented, man. Like, look at the illustrations she's got going on over here. And I love how much of nibbles there is in this entire... Stop it. Where did you find this picture from? I'm like 9 years old. Hello, my name is Aanam Chashmawala, born on 17th June 1991. We've got the definition for family. That is a picture of me from my first birthday. And that is a picture of my parents, my brother and I think Disneyland 1999, I want to say. Yeah, I think it was Disneyland 2001 in Los Angeles. Oh my god. Where in God's name did you even get that picture from? I don't even think I have that picture. I don't know how to react. I don't know how to react. सुकून क्या है बस माँ और नानी मुस्कुरा दे and daddy's girl. Oh my god. I don't know what to say. I have no words. She's got the definition of a brother on the side with a picture of my brother and his kids. There's a picture of me with my mom. It says, अम्मी के हाथों में जाने किसी की बरकत है. दाल खिचड़ी में भी दावतों की लज्जत है. Even my Urdu isn't that good. Sorry if I'm butchering anything over here. चेहरे पे फिक्रों की लकीरें हैं, देखो फिर भी अम्मी मेरी दुनिया है, सबसे खूबसूरत है. I have no words. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to react to this. She's got Jerry, my best friend, Kari. POV, you're my Karishma and I'm your Aanam. Work trip with BFF. She's got pictures of me that say मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. And then there's this whole page dedicated to Jerry. And it says little Jerry, because she's put a picture of little Jerry, baby Jerry. Love is in the air, with a picture of the both of us. And then she's got a calendar over here, and she's hearted June 4th. If you're wondering why, that's because that's Jerry's birthday. And then there's a note over there that says he's the million Christian, she's Muslim, he's antisocial, she's an outgoing blogger, he's 37, she's 26. Hence, they proved opposites attract. I got no words. I don't know how to react. कुछ होता है अनम, तुम नहीं समझ, क्योंकि all the illustrations she's put everywhere with the pictures. This girl is my filmy doppelganger. I don't know what to say. There are very few times in my life where I don't know what to say because I'm a buddy otherwise. Sunville Banquets, ANG, she knows where we got married. There's pictures of our nikah, and then there's another one from our reception, and it says प्यार तो बहुत लोग करते हैं लेकिन मेरे जैसा प्यार कोई नहीं करता क्योंकि किसी के पास तुम जो नहीं हो. Oh my god, stop it, just stop it, take all my money and go. Like, what is this girl is, I don't have words. Oh, she put my in-laws in here too. A mother gives you life, a mother-in-law gives you her life. In-laws are not relatives by blood, but they're relatives by love. And then there's a whole page dedicated to nibble. I'm lost. I'm not usually one to get lost with words, but I don't know. I just think that she has outdone any fan, follower, subscriber gift I have ever received. Like father, like daughter, like mother, like daughter. There's pictures of me and Jerry with Nibble sleeping next to us, of me imitating. Where in God's name did you get these pictures from, is my question. Because even this picture, for example, is literally from the year we probably moved into this house. I'm so... Families are like fudge, mostly sweet with few nuts. How sweet. A hug from the family lasts a lifetime. And then she's got these images here to go with it, with my parents as well as with Rayan Romaisa. I'm floored. I'm gonna sound like I'm saying the same thing over and over, but I'm floored. Alexa, please play एक बार देख लीजिए दीवाना बना दीजिए. And she's put a picture of me from the Hira Mandi rectory. Are you seeing all the illustrations she's put everywhere? So thematically, this girl is crazy talented is what she is. And then there is a picture of me holding verified products. Again, please note the illustrations everywhere. And it says, meet Aanam Chashmawala, content creator since 2011, YouTuber since 2017, vlogger, beauty addict, founder of Verified. This is my YouTube bio. She's taken my YouTube bio and put it here. And then she's got vibin' and thriving. Great things in business are never done by one person, they're done by a team. And then she's got Forbes India's insert over here for creators wanting to turn entrepreneurs. This scoop. She's basically taken an excerpt from the article from my interview with Forbes and put it over there. And she's put pictures of me with my team. That is so sweet. This girl is just so talented. And then there's another sketch at the end of me from the plum event I hosted a few months ago. Listen, you know what? Stuff like this, it's the effort, it's the time, it's the energy, it's the thought, it's the, like, this. If she had just sent me this, it would have just been a whole mystery box in itself. Like, I don't have words. She's covered things so beautifully, materialistically, and like stuff like this, that is just, you can't put a price on this stuff. Like, I said this in my last mystery box or the one before that even, like, it is the time and the energy and the thought and the effort that moments like this, I realize how much I'm connected to you guys, and hopefully you are connected with me as well. I don't even know how to end this video. I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words. Tanvi, thank you. I feel like thank you sounds too little. It sounds too little. But thank you Tanvi, and thank you to each and every one of you. I say this and I will say it till my last breath in my life, and hopefully as a creator, because hopefully I can continue to create videos all the way through my life. I will never take you guys for granted. I will never take your love for granted. I will never be dishonest with you. I will continue to be as transparent as I possibly can with you. And moments like this make me realize that I must be doing something right. Not everything, because nobody's doing everything right, but I'm on the right path at least. And I'm so immensely grateful to be living this life and to have you in my life, each and every one of you who's watching this. It is my birthday today. When we're uploading this video, I turned 33. I've officially been a creator for 13ish years, almost 13 years. I became a creator when I was 20, and if someone told me back then that I was gonna have this thriving, amazing, mad, talented and emotionally invested community even 13 years later, I would have said, nah, this is a short lifespan kind of an industry. But you guys prove that wrong, that myth, that fear, that ideology, and I thank you. Or kya bolu? Thank you. I'm forgetting what I usually say. I'm reading, liking, hearting, and responding to each and every one of your comments. So keep them coming. I'm gonna go ahead and let you participate in the giveaway in this video, because there are giveaways in everything I'm saying you already know. I'm just like in my head a little bit overwhelmed, touched, feeling loved, feeling blessed, and Tanvi has just knocked it out of the park. I love you. I will see you in the next one. I'm gonna just take some time to process and sink this in. It's a good feeling to know that you are loved, and I just want to remind myself that I am loved, and I want to appreciate it, and I want to let it soak in. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.